National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Blount County in central Alabama, Calhoun County in east central Alabama, southwestern Cherokee County in northeast Alabama, Clay County in east central Alabama, southwestern Cleburne County in east central Alabama, northern Coosa County in east central Alabama, Edom County in northeast Alabama, eastern St. Clair County in central Alabama, Talladega County in east central Alabama, until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:21 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the National Weather Service indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Strawberry to Altoona to Riverside to Talladega Springs and moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Stewartville, Silicata, Rainbow City, Markton, Gadsden, Talladega, Oaks Bluff, and Sachs. This includes Interstate 20 exit numbers 162 through 191, Interstate 59 exit numbers 166 through 188. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday morning for northern Alabama. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Coosa County, Alabama.
Beep.